Do you want to be able to fix TikTok not letting you favorite videos? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step, because if you skip on some of these steps that I'm going to show you, then this will probably not work for you, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to come into our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here. So what I'm going to do now on this page right here, as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok profile. So go into your TikTok profile and then you're going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now you should be taken here. As you can see in here, we're going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. You should now be taken to this page. Scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem, just going to load, and perfect, we should now be taken here. Now you need to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says videos and sounds. So click on videos and sounds, and perfect, you should now be taken here. Scroll down in here, click on other in here, click on other once again, just going to load. Now we need to click on need more help in here. And perfect, now you should be taken here. And you might now ask yourself, why do I have to come to this page right here? And that is a great question. The reason why I need to come to this page right here is because in here, we're able to actually contact the TikTok customer support team, and they're the ones that can help us to fix this problem. So that is basically why you need to come to this page. And now you need to write exactly like this to them to make this work. I am having a problem with my TikTok account. I am not able to favorite any videos. I need this to be fixed. So write exactly like this now to them. I am having a problem with my TikTok account. I am not able to favorite any videos. I need this to be fixed. Now click on submit. Now what you need to do after that is to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.